Have you ever wondered why the people closest to your heart sometimes cause the deepest pain? What does Islam teach when family becomes your greatest trial? Stay until the end, because this powerful reminder may completely change how you face betrayal. Protect your faith and strengthen your trust in Allah. A smiling face at family gatherings can sometimes hide resentment growing silently for years. Success, blessings, or even simple happiness may awaken bitterness in hearts that should celebrate with you. Instead of returning harm with harshness, examine your own character and remain conscious of Allah in every response. Difficult family relationships reveal sincerity, self-control, and trust in divine wisdom. Every painful encounter becomes an opportunity to earn reward through steadfast faith and righteous conduct. Life does not promise that every family connection will bring comfort. Allah sometimes places the hardest examinations within the closest circles because they shape patience, sincerity, and reliance upon Him. These moments uncover hidden intentions, strengthen spiritual resilience, and remind believers that true honor comes through obedience to Allah alone. Accepting such trials with humility transforms personal pain into lasting growth, bringing the heart closer to mercy, guidance, and eternal success despite every hardship encountered along the faithful journey ahead. Envy often begins quietly, growing whenever another family member's blessings become impossible to celebrate. Small comparisons slowly poison affection, creating suspicion, gossip, and coldness. A believer refuses to compete for worldly status and instead asks Allah to increase goodness for everyone. A grateful heart defeats jealousy before it destroys relationships, preserving compassion, unity, and inner peace through sincere remembrance, humility, generous character, constant gratitude, and heartfelt prayers for others' success, always seeking Allah's pleasure above every personal desire forever together. Not every invitation from loved ones leads toward righteousness. Pressure to compromise modesty, neglect worship, or accept forbidden actions may come from those closest to you. True loyalty belongs to Allah before anyone else. Standing firm with kindness requires courage, especially when misunderstood or criticized. Choosing obedience over acceptance may feel lonely today, but every sincere sacrifice is witnessed by Allah, who replaces temporary hardship with lasting peace, guidance, strength, honor, and countless unseen blessings in the hereafter. Responding calmly during family conflicts reflects true strength, not weakness. Anger may demand immediate retaliation, but wisdom chooses measured words and dignified silence when necessary. Speak with respect, avoid exposing faults, and leave room for reconciliation. Every difficult conversation is a chance to display noble character for Allah's sake. Even when others refuse fairness, continue acting with integrity and compassion, trusting that good manners never go unnoticed by the one who judges every heart with perfect justice. Protecting your faith sometimes requires healthy boundaries without abandoning compassion. Distance from harmful behavior can be necessary while keeping respect, kindness, and sincere concern alive. Continue making dua for their guidance, offer help when appropriate, and avoid feeding arguments that deepen division. A believer balances mercy with caution, refusing to let repeated harm weaken devotion or good character. Through steadfast principles, the heart remains peaceful, relationships stay honorable, and hope for healing always remains alive before Allah's mercy. Forgiveness does not erase the past, but it frees the heart from carrying endless bitterness. Letting go for Allah's sake brings peace that revenge can never provide. Alongside forgiveness, sincere dua becomes a powerful source of healing, asking Allah to soften hearts, correct wrongs, and grant guidance. Even if relationships never return to what they were, a believer gains inner tranquility by trusting every prayer is heard and every sincere intention is rewarded by Allah. Seeking revenge may satisfy emotions for a moment, but it rarely brings lasting peace. Allah's justice is perfect, reaching every secret intention and hidden action at the right time. Instead of becoming consumed by resentment, place your trust in His wisdom and continue doing what is right. Patience does not mean accepting wrongdoing as good. It means believing that no injustice escapes Allah's knowledge, and every oppressed believer will receive complete justice in the end. Hope remains alive for every believer who refuses to let hardship define their future. Every tear endured with faith carries meaning before Allah. Difficult family experiences can become the reason for immense reward and spiritual elevation. Keep your heart attached to the promise of His mercy. Continue doing good without expecting appreciation from people, and look forward to the everlasting happiness prepared for those who remain steadfast, sincere, hopeful, grateful, trusting Allah through every trial until they meet Him joyfully. If this reminder touched your heart, support Profound Deen by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more Islamic reflections. May Allah heal every broken family, protect your faith, fill your heart with peace, and grant you righteous relationships. Ameen. Write Ameen in the comments, and may Allah accept every sincere prayer you make.